Specialized Turbo Levo FSR Comp 6 Fatty. The price of the bike is $5,500. The Specialized Bicycle Components is an American company that produces bicycles and bicycle equipment. In 2015, it was the racing bicycle brand with the most victories in the International Professional Circuit UCI World Tour. The other bikes in this test seemed more one-dimensional, like power forwards. They felt heavier and more sluggish, and didn't change direction quite as well. Charging the Specialized Turbo Levo FSR Comp 6 Fatty proved to be slightly more cumbersome than the competition. The charging port is located at the bottom of the down tube on the non-drive side of the frame, leaving the charging port cover more susceptible to mud and debris while riding. If we didn't close this cover perfectly, dirt, mud, and water would easily make their way into the Specialized Turbo Vado 6.0 2019. The price of the bike is $5,050. Compared with the original Specialized Turbo models, developed in 2010 and dating back to 2012 in the US, the Vado is more balanced and efficient. A high-speed, feature-complete urban electric bike with unique tubular fenders that have flexible extensions and a water routing system to keep your legs, back, and face dry, integrated lights, and a tight modern rack. Available in 4 sizes, including high-step and mid-step frame styles with gender-specific saddle and grips, custom-tuned 50mm suspension fork with lockout, sturdy through axles for improved power transfer and handling at high speed. Removable TFT touchscreen with integrated micro USB for accessory charging. Mission Control smartphone app syncs with display for GPS readouts and battery optimization. Powerful 180mm hydraulic disc brakes. High-end Shimano Diori XT Shadow Plus derailleur with one-way clutch to reduce chain bounce. Narrow-wide chainring delivered. Van Moof Electrified S2. The price of the bike is $3,793. Van Moof is a Dutch company that designs bicycles. These are known for their minimalist design. If you live in a city and fancy commuting on a bicycle, but fear conniving thieves and the potentially sweaty exercise required to reach the office, this could be your savior. The battery should take 4 hours to charge, too, which is a marked improvement over the electrified S and X's 6 hours. The biggest and arguably most important addition to the S2 and X2 is the rear wheel stealth lock. As the name implies, it's an elegant security feature that seamlessly blends into the bike's design. The original electrified S and X, for comparison, used a bulky chain that had to be stored in a triangular pouch. Brompton Electric. The price of the bike is $3,371. Brompton is the largest volume bicycle manufacturer in Britain, producing approximately 40,000 bicycles each year. Engineers at William Advanced Engineering assisted with the electrical parts, and the result is a 250-watt motor that provides pedal assistance via the front hub, which is still a very unusual approach. It draws power from a 300 watt-hours battery pack that sits in a bag and goes on the front where the Brompton luggage rack would normally sit. A neat smartphone app shows current charge levels and lets you tailor assistance settings. You can shell out extra for a fast charging system that delivers an 80% battery top-up in just 90 minutes. Perhaps the cleverest thing of all about the electric Brompton is that despite all the extra stuff, it folds up exactly the same as the non-LB bike. The price of the bike is $3,125. If you're looking to spend less time in your car, an e-bike might be just what you need. The LBS19 speed shifts just like the bikes you've always ridden, but it also has an electric motor stashed in the rear hub. A small button on the handlebar powers up the S1. It takes a few seconds before the Bionics display lights up. The basic screen shows battery levels, bike speed, and assistance level. Additional screens show trip distances, time, and other data about your rides. LB also offers an app that allows you to use your smartphone for navigation and ride information. The LB offers 4 levels of pedaling assistance. There's also a throttle level that provides near-instant acceleration up to 20 miles an hour. Pedaling the LBS1 is smooth like butter. The Bionics electric motor runs silently. Because of the LB's easy speed and the traffic on our local roads, we chose to wear a helmet for all our rides. We felt like a superhero pedaling easily up climbs, and we arrived at the coffee shop fresh and relaxed.